Hi everyone, millions of Americans depend on monthly social security payments, but did you know do not everyone receive their payment on same day? On Wednesday, March 11th, 2026, thousands of beneficiaries will be see money deposited in their bank account on prepaid debit cards who qualify for these payment dates. The payment is system used by Social Security Administration designed to distribute the benefit of organized way and since the 17 million Americans rely on this payment, the agency speed they cross different day of each month. The help ensure the smooth processing, timely deposit, retirement, survivors and people receiving disability benefits. In March 2026, the schedule continue the payment dates March 11th, 2026. According to the SSA guidelines, two main groups are beneficiaries expected the receiving their social security payments on this day. The first group include long-term beneficiaries, this individual who started receiving social security benefits before May 1997. This category includes retirement survivors and people receiving disability benefits. The second group including concurrent beneficiary, this individual who receive both social security benefits and supplemental security income at the same time. Because the receive payment is two group program, this deposit set will follow the slightly different system. In March belong this category, you payment expected arrive on Wednesday, March 11th. For beneficiaries who do not fall into the March 11th group, payment are scheduled based on your date of birth. If your birthday fall between the 1st and 10th of any month, your payment is scheduled on March 11th. If you were born between the 11th and 20th, your payment will be set on Wednesday, March 18th. And if your birthday fall between the 21 and 31, you expect your payment on Wednesday, March 25. Social Security benefits. Some state receiving higher average Social Security benefits and other state called Connecticut, New Jersey, New Hampshire, Delaware, and Maryland rank among the highest. For example, the average monthly benefits Connecticut around is $2,196, while New Jersey average $2,119 and New Hampshire about $2,184, and this higher average about linked to higher lifetime earner those states. If you are expecting the Social Security payment on March 11, 2026, thanks for watching this video.